Hanggang ngayon ba hindi ka pa rin makapaniwala na only 10,000 lang ang ilalabas mo para sa kuryente at tubig ay magkakaroon ka ng two-story townhouse na provision for 2 bedroom, 1 toilet and bath, may space for living area, dining area, kitchen area, and service area. At ito pa, mag-aantay ka na lang for turnover dahil walang reservation fee, walang down payment, at lalong-lalo na walang equity. Oo, yes na yes. Tama yung narinig mo at mas matutuwa ka pa dahil this year ang target turnover. Kaya kung ikaw ay nagmamadaling lumipat, baka ito na hinahanap mo, lalo na kung ikaw ay recently working from Manila ay one ride bus lang from PITX. Kaya saan ka pa? At alam mo ba, napakabilis ng process ng docs niyo dito. Imagine, nang makapag-submit ng complete requirements si client, after few days lang, scheduled na siya for loan docs and seminar. Diba ang bilis? Kaya ngayon, waiting na lang siya for turnover. Kaya congrats in advance from client to future homeowner. Kaya kung ikaw ay gustong magkabahay this year, tara, message mo na ako dahil only 7,500 lang ang monthly amortization nito through Pag-ibig Financing. Take note, ito lang yung only project na under Remoland Developer na mag-aantay ka na lang for turnover. Kaya congratulations from client to future homeowner. See you soon! Thank you, Kadream House!